Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63 sets a new standard for luxury SUVs, blending top-notch performance, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort. Exterior, bold and stylish. Striking front design. Features the AMG Panamericana grille and sleek LED headlights. Dynamic look. Includes sporty AMG bumpers, side skirts, and quad exhaust tips. Eye-catching wheels. 22-inch AMG wheels with optional 23-inch versions. Color options. Choose from colors like obsidian black, diamond white, and alpine gray. Interior. Luxury meets sport. High-quality materials. Nappa leather seats, carbon fiber details, and aluminum trim. Advanced tech. A 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital driver display with MBUX interface. Mood lighting. 64 customizable colors for the perfect ambience. Optional executive package. Adds reclining rear seats, a rear entertainment system, and a champagne cooler. Performance, power and speed. Engine. A 4.0L V8 bi-turbo with EQ boost delivers 603 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. Quick acceleration. Goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. All-wheel drive. AMG 4MATIC Plus for excellent grip and control. Smooth ride. Air suspension ensures comfort and precision. Towing. Can tow up to 7,700 pounds. Technology. Smart and innovative. Driver assistance. Features adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Premium sound. Burmester 3D surround system with 26 speakers. Heads-up display. Projects key driving info onto the windshield. Wireless connectivity. Supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with wireless charging pads. Eco-friendly features. EQ boost system. Improves fuel efficiency and lowers emissions without sacrificing performance. Pricing and customization. Starting price, $142,000, with options for upgrades and personalization. Conclusion. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLS63 is a perfect mix of luxury, power, and advanced technology. It's ideal for those seeking a premium SUV with unmatched performance and comfort. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.